Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So, Shomu sir, what cat question are we discussing today?
A very, very easy one. I mean, these are the types that we normally term it as sitters. I mean, even among the sitters, this is the easier version of a sitter. So this is a must-do kind of question. Everybody should be solving this and in the first scan and in as much less time as possible. Don't rush for that matter, but then it should naturally take less time to solve. So let us comprehend it properly, because these kind of questions, it is a sitter only if you have comprehended it properly. If you have not comprehended it properly, you may not understand the level of difficulty of the problem. So let's look at the problem, Harshad.
Yeah, sure.
Distance between A and B, set arbitrary points, whatever has been mentioned. Partha and Narayan. So now we get the picture. Start from A at the same time and move towards B. Okay, so now we get the picture. A to B, both Partha and Narayan starts from A at the same time and move towards B. Path takes 4 hours more than Narayan to reach this point B, to reach the destination. Path takes 4 hours more compared to Narayan. So there's a comparison speed given, not in relationship, but how much more.
Right.
Moreover, Path reaches the midpoint of A and B 2 hours before Narayan reaches B. Now, this is not saying that Parth reaches midpoint of A and B compared to Narayan reaching midpoint of A and B, not that, but Narayan reaching B. This is where the comprehension comes into play. If you have comprehended properly so far, you will be able to observe something here, that both these comparisons are given with respect to the time at which Narayan reaches the point B.
Right.
Isn't it? So what we know is, so suppose just an arbitrary one to explain this. So suppose I assume that Narayan reaches, so suppose this is point B. Narayan reaches this point at, let's say, 6 p.m. or something. So what we know is Parth reaches this particular point at 10 p.m. It takes 4 hours more. They start at the same time. So basically reaches 4 hours later, right?
Right.
We also know that Parth has reached the midway point. It's a midpoint, right, between A and B. So this is just the bang midpoint. So let me write this as midpoint. So midpoint Parth reaches 2 hours before Narayan reaches B. So Narayan reaches B again at 6 p.m. only, right? So that is basically Parth reaching here at 4 p.m.
Correct.
Now this arbitrary time is not actually relevant here. If you are good with basic relationships, you know that this is 4 hours more, this is 2 hours less. You should automatically mentally be able to understand these two should have a difference of 6 hours, right? If you're not, just take an arbitrary time to understand this. So basically what we know is Parth is covering this distance in 6 hours. Now, since this is the midpoint and the total distance is 60 kilometers, so this segment should be 30 kilometers.
Right.
So Parth covers this 30 kilometers in 6 hours, meaning the speed is 5 kilometers per hour.
Oh, nice.
Very simple question, right?
Correct.
So I hope you get the point why I was terming this as a sitter now, right? But the comprehension is not. If we do not comprehend that both these comparisons are in respect to Narayan reaching B, then we might get confused how to establish the relationship, right?
Right.
But if we notice that the thing is, since this is related to this, and since this is also related to this, so we can establish a relationship between this and this, right? That is Parth reaching B and Parth reaching the midpoint.
Right.
So yeah, that's it for this question from my end.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks for this question and wonderful solution. Thanks a lot, guys, for joining in.
If you haven't yet checked the full playlist containing this video, then check the description for the direct link. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our daily questions, tutorials, and problem-solving sessions, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss an update. In addition to our daily questions, we also offer comprehensive preparation for CAT and other management entrance tests. If you're looking to excel in these exams, we highly recommend checking out these courses in our website. To get a taste of what our courses have to offer, we invite you to take a free demo. The demo will give you a glimpse into the quality and effectiveness of our teaching methods, study materials, and practice resources. You can find the relevant links in the description of this video. Have a nice and successful preparation ahead. See you in the next one.